Hey, how are you? Welcome. So you're here for your appointment, your eye exam. Okay. Oh, what's your name? Yeah. Alright. Okay. So just have a seat over here and I'll be right with you. Alright, so when was your last eye exam? 5 years ago? Okay, it's been a while. Alright, so, alright, have you had any issues or, okay, so you feel like you might need to update your prescription? Alright. Alright, so what we're gonna do is, alright, so I'm gonna start off with, alright, just relax, and I'm just gonna take a look at your eyes, okay? Okay, so let me see. Actually, I'm gonna use, alright, so I'm just gonna take a look at your eyes. Alright, just look up. Okay, good. Alright, look to the left. Okay. Alright, to the right. Alright, looks good. Alright, let me look at the other eye. Look up. Alright. To the left. Okay, look to the right. Good. Alright. So, let's see. Let's do a couple things with lights. Alright, so let's see. Follow the light. Good. 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 Alright, so I'm gonna have you just focus on my finger. Just focus on my finger and not the light. Just keep your eyes on my finger, okay? Good. 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 Okay. So hold still and do a quick scan of your eyes. Let's see. Good. Keep your eyes on me. Let's keep your eyes on me. Good. Keep your eyes on me. Good. Your eyes on me. Have you come over to the chart. Okay. Let's see, let's focus on this line right here. Okay. Starting with this one, can you see what this is? Good. Good. Alright. Good. point them backwards. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Alright. You see this line right here. Alright. It's okay if you can't see it. Mm-hmm. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some drops in your eyes, okay? Okay, so just have a seat. I'll put some drops in your eyes. Let's see. Alright, let me see. If you just touch your eyes. Okay. Alright. Okay. So it looks good. Looks good. Alright. Some drops in your eyes. It might sting a little bit. It'll be like really quick though. So after I put it in your eye, just hold still, and then once I put the drop in your eye, just blink a few times. Okay. Alright. Look up. Okay, just blink. Blink, blink, blink. Alright, good. Okay, let me do the other eye. Just look up. Just look up. Alright, good. Just blink. Just blink. Alright. Just massage your eyes. Just like massage around it a little bit. Okay. Alright. Let's see. Let me just take a look. Alright, just look up. Just look at me. Alright. Okay, looks good. Let's see. Alright. Good. Looks good. Alright. Okay. Let's look at the chart again real quick. Can you read this line? Okay, starting with this one. Alright. Good. 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 Alright. Good. Alright, you want to try it backwards. Starting here. Good. 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 Alright. Can you see anything right here? Okay. Alright. Mm-hmm. Good. Alright. Can you see it backwards? Okay. Good. Alright. What about right here? Mm-hmm. Alright. Alright. Okay. So, let's see. Alright, just still. Okay. Alright. Let's see. Alright, follow the light. Follow the light. Okay. Alright. Good. Okay, it's looking good so far. Let's see. Okay, so do you think you would be interested? Do you want to try glasses or contacts? Or you can try both. Yeah, your insurance, it should cover most of it. Do you want to try both? Okay. So let me see. I'm gonna get a measurement of your eyes. Just to hold still. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. Okay. So, oh, I see. Yeah, I got the glass. Yeah, you picked out a pair of glasses. You said you were interested. So I got the glasses. This is the case that they come in. Okay. So. Alright. Yeah, this is a nice pair. This pair will suit you nicely. Yeah, this is a good choice. Let's see. Clean them up a little bit. They come with this cloth, so you can always keep them clean. Okay, let's see. Okay, alright, that looks good. Are they a little bit tight? Maybe just a little bit. We just like loosen the arms just slightly. Yeah, we can have that done. We can do that right now, because you can take these home with you today. Yeah. Okay. Would you be interested in any contact lenses too, or do you just want to do the glasses? You want to do contacts? So we do colored lenses, or you can just do the regular. You want to try the color? Okay. Let me bring you out the contact lenses. Okay, so this is the contacts I'll show you. We have a variety of colors available to choose from. So these are some samples right here. So we have some greens, some browns, hazel, gray, there's a blue. What color would you want to try? The green, are you interested in the green? Yeah, that's a pretty color. That's really pretty. Okay, let me see if I can get that in your prescription. Okay. Alright, just hold on a second. Okay, let's see. Alright. So the glasses, you can take those home with you right now. They're being tightened. Okay, so those will be ready for you in a second. And the contact contact lenses. So the green ones for your prescription, they will be available in 2 weeks, okay? So you can come back and pick those up, and I will call you when they're ready. All right. Okay, so here's your glasses. All right, and you're all set. And I hope you have a wonderful day. All right, bye-bye.